Welcome to today's video. Today we will witness tense moments on railways, or even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Here is a reminder. Let's get started. The accident involved one of the agency's front-runner trains last week.
Get off the track!
Just leave it!
Get off the track!
Leave it!
Oh my God!
Among the typical idiots who want to beat the passing train, it is difficult to find one with this level of stupidity.
Oh no.
Train derails in Verdigris, Oklahoma. Luckily, no one was standing nearby.
Yep, that just happened.
Train crashes into Caterpillar tractor-trailer truck in Redding, California. The pickup truck was parked in the train's path, and as expected, the truck was hit by the train.
No mames, el Mercedes. Échale.
The truck had crossed part of the tracks when the lever was down and the warning lights were on. The Norfolk Southern freight train was oncoming and hit the truck. Head-on collision between two trams at full speed. Shocking images from the driver's point of view. Never try to beat the train like this crazy driver in Brazil who ends up hit by the locomotive. Heaped insults on this truck driver who crossed the road without realizing the train was coming and ended up destroying his truck.
No mames.
Wow, dat is 500 euro boete wat je hebt gedaan. Je gaat je rekening krijgen, dat beloof ik u. En nu? Ja. Ah, wat. Allee! Wat zijn je helemaal gek geworden?
Safety test of friction damper with EMD G22 locomotive fails.
Не задел?
Не рогатые, атакуют автомобили.
I admire the courage of this man when doing dangerous work.
Wow, look at this. I can't believe it.
What's wrong with this driver? View from its own cab as the EMD GT22 locomotive derails and narrowly misses a few inches inside a house in Argentina. Tram crashes after operator forgets track. Train crashes into Polish truck driver, causing over $1 million in damage and injuring 8 people. A train has to honk its horn several times. How loud does it have to be so that it seems to no longer be enough to warn truck drivers being hit by a passenger train? A train malfunctions when a wheel comes loose and causes the axle to rest on the track while the train is moving. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.